Hi, Jenna Shimoleski with ERA Reardon Realty. Thank you for joining me at 6327 Cement City Road in Brooklyn, Michigan. This amazing house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, an amazing open concept kitchen, formal dining, living room. The master suite is absolutely amazing. Not only are you able to fit easily a king-size bed and any large furniture that you need, this walk-in closet 14 by 5 can definitely host all of your clothing, both his and hers. And check out this bathroom. We've got his and her sinks, large tiled shower. So come check out the rest of the house.